Can we bring these Ford Flex headlights back to life? Tune in to find out. So once again, shades of the Toyota Avalon job. The mechanic called me because my car's in the shop right now, so stopped the camera so we didn't get that big reveal, but we will cut to the finished product right now. Sweet, right? Yep, so another successful job. These got cleaned up pretty good. Now they're back to safe driving at night. This was a worker here, and this is his mom's car, so she's gonna really appreciate it. So catch you on the next one.